Hey everyone! What if I told you your wallet could now be more than just a place to store tokens? It could actually help you earn steady income just from basic activity. In the past, crypto wallets rarely offered earning features, but recently a new wallet came along that completely changed the game. It's called Cold Wallet, and it rewards users with USDT for simple actions like sending, receiving, or depositing tokens. Cold Wallet is not just a secure tool for asset storage, it's also a powerful way to earn passive income. And no, I'm not just talking about staking or liquidity pools, even though those are available too. The real highlight is its built-in reward system that pays you for regular wallet actions. Every transfer, deposit, or withdrawal can earn you CWT, the wallet's native token. These tokens aren't just rewards. If you hold CWT in your wallet, you can save on fees, thanks to a tiered cashback system. At higher levels, you can even get 100% cashback in CWT, meaning zero-fee transactions. You can read more about the benefits and utility of CWT on Cold Wallet's official website. That's also where you can join the token presale and grab CWT at a lower price before it hits exchanges. And even though it's still in presale, the wallet's cashback system is already live. Rewards are paid out in USDT and can be withdrawn once your balance hits $5. Cold Wallet is available now on the App Store and Google Play. You can download it from the official website or just search for it directly. And one more thing, Cold Wallet isn't starting from scratch. The team behind it actually acquired Plus Wallet for over $270 million and integrated many of its top features into Cold Wallet. Once you install the app, setup is simple. Just save your seed phrase and pick your preferred security options like biometrics, password, two-factor authentication, or even time-locked transfers. Inside the app, you'll find a clean interface showing multiple tokens across different blockchains like Polygon, Ethereum, and BNB chain. And get this, cross-chain transfers don't need bridges or extra tokens. You can use CWT for fees. There's also a built-in swap feature, a portfolio section, and even a browser to connect with DeFi apps and Web3 platforms. The most exciting tab is Rewards. This is where you track all your USDT earnings. Once you've got 5 USDT, you can withdraw instantly. You'll also see your CWT rewards here once the token is live for trading. And don't forget the referral program. Every user gets a referral code. When someone signs up through your link and buys CWT in the presale, they get a 10% bonus and you get 20%. If you want to join the presale, just head over to the Cold Wallet website and click Buy Tokens Now. Connect your wallet, choose one of the supported tokens like Ethereum, USDT, or BNB, and complete the purchase. Your CWT will show up in your dashboard right away. Important note, the presale price increases with each round. Right now, we're only on round 15 out of 50, so early buyers will get the best deal before listings begin. All links to the wallet and official website are in the video description. Make sure to check them out and explore the wallet for yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope now you've got a better idea of how Cold Wallet works and how it can help you earn crypto every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto reviews and tutorials. If you've already tried Cold Wallet or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Wishing you gains and see you soon.